Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deirdre if this is your first time here. So today I'm just going to be doing a very simple, easy, all over green smoky eye. It's just one of my favorite go-to looks. I have an affinity for green eyeshadows. It's my favorite. You know how there's people that have a million neutral eyeshadow palettes? That's me, but with green. Every time a green shadow palette comes out, I have to buy it. Do I already have the colors? Yes. But I need them all. I can't keep away. Also, changed my hair color last night. If you can't tell, it's no longer blue. It's kind of purpley now. So yeah, today I'm going to use the Melt Cosmetics Gemini palette. This is one of my favorites. It's expensive, but I love it. And I think that if I had to pick one palette to use for the rest of my life, this would be the one, ironically enough. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. So for this palette, I actually like to use the Urban Decay Primer Potion. I feel like it works best with this primer. So this is the one that I like to use for this palette. If you have the Gemini palette or any of the Melt shadows and you find them difficult to work with, try using this primer and let me know if you notice a difference, because I certainly do. Prefer this over using P. Louise base or even concealer. I just find that this one works the best and I recommend it. All right, so to start off, I'm gonna go in with a Coastal Scents BR250 brush, and with the color Mochi, we are going to start applying this color in the crease area. Apply it by pressing it in first, and then we're gonna blend that color out. And this is going to be our transition color. And I'm gonna take it kind of high because I like my colors really blended out close to my brow. But if you're somebody that doesn't have a lot of lid space, or you're not into that look, take it as high as you would like. And I like to also kind of take it out at the ends, wing it out. All right, so next, taking the color Leo, we are going to use a flat eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to place this color all over the entire lid, because this is going to be an all over green smoky eye. And again, we're just gonna apply this shadow with tapping motions, pressing it into the lid. And I'm going to use that to start to blend out the edges and also take it out at the corner as well. So this palette doesn't really have a brow bone highlight color, so I'm just going to go in with this color. It's Brulee by MAC. And I'm going to go ahead and add this as my highlight. And I'm just applying this with a large fluffy shadow brush right into the arch of the brow, blending it into that crease color, Mochi, to help diffuse the edges so there are no harsh lines, and add some brightness to the brow bone. And then very simply, we're gonna do the lower lash line, repeating the same thing we did on top. So using a fluffy bullet brush, this is a Coastal Scents brush, but I don't know what the number is. But with that same color, Mochi, we are gonna start to apply this to the lower lash line. And blend it down as far as you want. Then I'm going to add a little bit of Urban Decay's Glide On Eye Pencil in the color Stash to the lower lash line, and you also want to add this to the waterline, because this will help make the Leo color a little bit more intense when we add it down at the bottom. And then with a tiny bullet brush, I'm using the MAC 219, we're gonna add that color Leo directly on top where we added that Stash eyeliner color. And we're gonna smudge it out along the lower lash line. I'm also gonna add some of that liner to the top of my lash line, and with the same thing, go over it with the Leo OG just to kind of set it and smudge it out a little bit, because I want it to look a little grungy and like not too perfect. And then for my inner corner highlight, I love to use this Wet n Wild highlighter. It's the green tone one from their Mermaid collection. I don't remember the name, it's not on here anymore, but I don't like wearing it on my face because it kind of gives me a gray cast, but as an inner corner highlight, when I do green smoky eyes or green looks, it's my favorite. So that's what I'm gonna use today. And that's pretty much it for the look. I'm gonna go ahead and throw on some mascara and the lip, and I will be back to show you the completed look. Okay, and this is the finished look. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, green grungy smoked out eye, one of my favorite go-to eyes. For lips, I just put on Lime Crime's Shroom. This is, again, one of my other favorite lipsticks from Lime Crime ever. If you don't like Lime Crime and you're afraid to order from their website, just do what I do. I get everything off of Outlook because these are originally, I think, $20, and when they're on sale on Outlook, they're only like $10, and so then I just stock up, and I don't have to worry about anybody compromising my credit card. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give this video a thumbs up. Please leave a comment and subscribe. I mean, if you've already made it to the end of the video, then that means you must have liked it, so you might as well just go ahead and continue watching more in the future. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you.